Hi, this is Dan from Feldmann Imports, and today we have a 2019 Mercedes-Benz C-Class C300 4MATIC. Today's model comes in a white exterior with a tan interior, some brown wood grain and black finishes as well, sunroof, blind spot assist. And let's go around to the back here. Well, we've got our 4MATIC, Mercedes-Benz, and C300 badging, as well as a power opening and closing trunk. All new all-weather mats there for you, ready to go. This vehicle is equipped with the premium Burmester sound system. Here at our rear seats, we look up at the sunroof, and a quick peek up at the front of the vehicle. Some of the additional features of the vehicle, and of course you can always find more information on our website, feldmanimports.com. And we do have heated seats, memory seats in both the driver and passenger here. Driver controls, driver door controls, driver seat, steering wheel. And let's take a look on the inside. Mileage is currently at 19,361. And we do have a push button ignition. Mercedes-Benz radio, navigation system, backup camera, and climate controls here, and our center console. Of course, the Mercedes-Benz shifter. Now, if you'd like to get any more information or see any photos of this vehicle or any of our others, just see our website, feldmanimports.com.